Donald Trump. Deadline arrives for Trump to secure $454 million bond or risk seizure of assets. New York Attorney General Letitia James gave ex-president until Monday to secure bond covering civil fraud judgment against him. Time was running out for Donald Trump to secure a bond covering the $454 million loss for his recent fraud case loss on Monday, opening the way for New York's Attorney General to begin the long, slow process of seizing his assets. The former president has until Monday to secure a bond covering the $500 million judgment against him while he appeals the decision. Trump must post collateral covering 120% of the judgment, according to court filings, a sum of more than $557 million. Last week his lawyers said it was a practical impossibility for him to secure a bond of this size. A bond of this size is rarely if ever seen. In the unusual circumstance that a bond of this size is issued, it is provided to the largest public companies in the world, not to individuals or privately held businesses, his lawyers argued. The Attorney General, Letitia James, had made clear that she will seize Trump assets if the bond is not secured. On Friday her office filed judgments in Westchester County, north of New York City, home to Trump's sprawling Seven Springs estate and golf course. A judgment has already been entered in New York City, home to some of Trump's most famous assets, including Trump Tower and 40 Wall Street. The moves are the first step in a chain of events James will have to take to secure Trump assets. It's not going to be a piece of cake, said Nikos Pasas, a professor of criminology and criminal justice at Northeastern University. Pasas said that besides the obvious political issues and Trump's attacks on the Attorney General, James faced difficulties over the complex and opaque financial structure of Trump's assets. There may be a lot of debts she may or may not know about. She may have to file a subpoena for financial information, said Pasas. Pasas said Trump might look to reach a deal with bond guarantors that takes into account a potentially huge Friday windfall. Trump added a potential $3 billion to his assets on Friday when his Truth social network finalized a long-in-the-making stock market listing. The investment vehicle that merged with Truth Social has become a meme stock, an investment that has attracted a cult-like and whose price seems out of proportion to the business fundamentals. But that too may be a hard sell. Meme stocks notoriously go up and down like crazy, said Pasas. Whoever makes a decision to deal with Trump at this point will be making a political as well as a financial decision.